Hi, I'm Dr. Bill Velbeck. Welcome to this experiment where we're going to be conducting a side-by-side comparison of 3 generations of consumer video camera. The image on the left of your screen was created with a Sony Handycam model CCD-TR64 from the year 1995. This camera recorded analog video on 8mm tape cassettes. The image sensor used on this camera was a single charge-coupled device, or CCD. The image in the center of your screen was created with a Panasonic palmcorder model PV-GS500 from the year 2006. This camera records digital video on mini DV cassettes. The image sensor uses 3 1/4-inch charge-coupled devices. Finally, the image on the right side of your screen was created with the new Sony HDR-AX2000, which went on sale in 2010. This is a tapeless system that records high-definition digital video on Sony's memory sticks or on SD memory cards. The image sensor uses 3 1/3-inch complementary metal oxide semiconductors, or CMOS sensors. In my case, I also had to be put through an analog to digital converter, so you may see some occasional noise or even a horizontal scan line running across this image. Right now, I'm standing in front of a Lastolite brand green screen. For this experiment, we're going to apply the identical keying process to all 3 images so that you can accurately compare the results. The Adobe Creative Suite 5, also called CS5 for short, offers 2 excellent keying tools. These are Keylight in After Effects and Ultra Key in Premiere. For this test, we're going to use Ultra Key. In all 3 cases, we're going to use the identical 2-step keying process on these video images. First, we'll use the eyedropper to sample the green screen behind me. Then we're going to select Aggressive from the Settings drop-down pick list. Now you see the resulting matte that was created using this process. Next, let's replace that matte with a background. There are a variety of ways to visually evaluate the quality of a keying tool. Some authors suggest looking at how well it keys the subject's hair. Others suggest looking at how well you can key transparent objects like this drinking glass. I've also found that another thing to look for is whether or not you can create a clean mat around the subject's hand, or if you see a kind of a webbing between the fingers. I started doing green screen work with a compositing program called Ultra 2 that was created by a company named Serious Magic. Adobe acquired Serious Magic and continued to offer Ultra as a standalone application in Creative Suite 3. Ultra was not included in Creative Suite 4, but has now re-emerged as an integral part of Premiere in CS5. Whether you're just beginning to experiment with green screen or you're already somewhat familiar with the technique, I'd like to recommend a book called The Green Screen Handbook by Jeff Foster as an excellent resource. There it is now. And now it's time for your final exam. See if you can guess which of these 3 cameras was used to shoot the following promotional spot. Hi, I'm Dr. Bill Velbeck, reminding you that you have an appointment with fun right here on YouTube.